Got 3 hip shims on
It doesn't feel overly small. It feels like a
shims?
small ripper to me.
3 seat shims and 3 hip pads on
Yeah, I feel like I would lower the seat down a little bit, but I think I could easily paddle this boat.
Oh yeah.
It feels like a true small just sitting in it.
Put the seat pads
And the 9-aught, all next to each other.
Medium Scorch, small Scorch. Look at that. Finally in the USA. There it is beside the medium. Wow, it looks like they added less rocker in the tail. They lowered the rocker in the small compared to the medium.
definitely a lot narrower. Standing back here. A lot narrower.
Yeah, behind the hips, it's way more narrow.
Way less. Look back here. Stand back here. We can really tell.
Whoa.
Well, it's more narrow, so it should be faster, huh? In theory. Medium and small. Rocker looks about the same in the bows. You see that? Just more narrow there. All right, small Scorch in the USA. Matt's got one of the first ones.